Hello and welcome to the fourth project for your Word course. This is 4A for Sam. As always, make sure when you download it, you change the name of it to _2 rather than _1 for grading. I have the instructions printed, so I'm just going to go ahead and start with step 1, but I will say that each steps have a title slide with them, so you can scrub along the video and find the title slide to the step that you're having trouble with if it's just a specific step. And also the description box below has a link of time. It's blue. Click on those times to the corresponding steps. If you are just following along with this, completing your project, you can just follow along, pause it, and complete your project in tandem with me. Okay, so I'm going to start with step 1. You are a volunteer completing a sales proposal for the Neighborly Corner Grocery Store. To make the title page more attractive, format the Neighborly title paragraph on page 1 as follows. So make sure you're clicked inside here anywhere. We need to add a box paragraph border. So this is up here in this paragraph group. Click on borders. We're going to go down to borders and shading. Click on the box right here. B says apply the aqua accent 1 border color. That's right here. Aqua accent 1. C, use a 3-point border width. That's the width right here. 3 points. And then D says apply the blue-gray accent for lighter 80% shading color. So that's in the shading gallery. Choose your fill. Blue-gray accent for lighter 80%. Okay. Now, step 2, format the corner grocery store subtitle paragraph as follows so it coordinates with the title paragraph. Add a box paragraph border, so make sure you're clicked in here. Go back up here, borders and shading, go back to box. B, apply blue-gray accent for border color. Blue-gray. And the width is still 3, so we'll leave it like that. And click OK. There you go. Step 3, create a 1-inch left indent and a 1-inch right indent for the Neighborly paragraph and the corner grocery store paragraph to fit the borders more tightly around the text. So we are going to select both of those. We'll click on our drop down for the paragraph. We are going to increase this to 1 and 1 and OK. So it looks a little bit more proportional. Step 4, to increase visual impact, add a custom picture watermark to the document using the file support neighbors, available for download from the same website. So that's part of your support when you're downloading your start file. There's 3 other files there for you to download. Make sure you click the save file button in order to get those onto your downloads folder on your computer. So we are going to make a picture watermark. We are going to go up to insert. Design. There we go in design. Remember for a second. Design watermark. We're going to make a custom watermark and we're going to choose picture watermark and select picture. From a file. Downloads. We need neighbors. And apply. And close. It's kind of a little bit hard to see, but if you look right here, you can see the watermark in the background. Step 5, on page 1, complete and format the SmartArt graphic by modifying it as follows. So this is your SmartArt graphic here. Enter the text fresh produce into the first shape. So double click, fresh produce. I'm going to click outside. Change the colors of the SmartArt graphic to gradient loop. So I'm going to click, but I just clicked on that picture. So you can see that there's this box around the picture and a box around the outside. Make sure you click outside so that the box is just around everything. So we're going to go up here to SmartArt Design, and it wants you to change the colors. So here's change colors and Change it to gradient loop accent 1. Accent 1, colored, gradient loop. Here we go. Apply the intense effect Smart Art style. So here's the Smart Art style. So I'm just going to hover. Here we go. Okay, so for step 6, expand the character spacing of the Where Neighbors Meet paragraph to 1.5 points to make the paragraph more noticeable. So highlight the whole thing, go up to the font group, and the drop down here, go to, it normally comes up on font, so click on advanced, and you'll see character spacing right here. So character spacing, choose expanded, as it says expand, to 1.5. So we'll go up to 1.5. There we go. Oops. Step 7. Insert a next page section break at the beginning of the Welcome to the Neighborly Corner grocery store heading paragraph to separate the title page from the 2 other pages. So click in front, and we're going to add a next page section break. So we're going to go to, nope, not insert, no, yes, in layout, go to breaks, and here's all your breaks. So you're going to need a next page section break right here. See your section break section. Next page. Perfect. A lot of people get mixed up with the insert because you can choose page break is like a quick button. That is different. If you go to layout and look at all the breaks, page break is the first one, but there's plenty others. So pay attention to that in this one and moving forward. Step 8. On page 2, clear the formatting from the paragraph beginning the Neighborly Corner grocery and ending take care of it. So this one here. To return the paragraph to normal style. So we are going to clear the formatting. So we're going to go back to the home tab. And this little guy right here, clear all formatting, removes the formatting, and you see this gray box appears over the normal again, which is what we want. Step 9, select the 5 bulleted paragraphs in the In Stock section, and then sort the paragraphs so they appear in alphabetical order, allowing readers to find information more easily. So we are going to highlight all 5 of those, and we are going to go to this right here, sort, click on that, and we're going to sort by paragraphs, type text, and ascending. Now it's going in alphabetical order: bulk, cheese, packaged produce, seafood. Step 10. In the same 5 bulleted paragraphs, add visual appeal by changing the bullet character to a picture inserted from the file support bullet available for download from the SAM website. So we'll highlight them all again, and we'll go up here to the drop down, and we are going to define a new bullet, picture from a file, bullet. There you go. See the bullet change there. Step 11, in the blank paragraph below the prepared foods heading, insert text from the support file deli available for download from the SAM website to include a description of the store's prepared foods department. So we go to insert, there we go. Okay, so on some versions this has words here. It says object and text from file. If not, look for this little symbol. My version is a little bit more updated than the one that is on school computers. So click on there and text from file and deli. Step 12 on page 3. Format the sandwich board table as follows to make it easier to read. A, in row 1, merge the cells in columns 2, 3, and 4. So here's 4, 3, 2. Merge them. So we'll go to table design, layout, there we go. Merge cells. B, use Align Center to center the Select a Size heading in the merged cell both horizontally and vertically. So we're going to look over here in the alignment group, and it wants you to choose Align Center, which is the center one here. C, auto-fit the table to its content. So the whole table, we're going to click this little button up here, and it selects the whole table. And we are going to choose auto-fit to contents. D, shade row 1 with blue-gray accent for lighter 80% shading color. So we'll go to Home and shade. Here we go. Blue-gray accent for lighter 80. E, sort rows 3 through 12. So 1, 2, 3. Sort rows 3 through 12 in alphabetical order. So again, we'll go to our sort button. Sort by, oh yes, sort by type text using paragraphs ascending. There we go. So choose column 1. And that's it for number 12. Step 13, on page 3, format the NCGG membership table as follows to balance the 3 columns. A, change the width of column 1 to 1.75. So we'll go to layout, and the width is going to be 1. Alright, we'll have to type it in there. 75. Distribute columns 2 to 4 so they are of equal width. So we'll highlight 2 to 4. And we will distribute the columns. There we go. Step 14. Complete the table by adding formulas as follows. A, in the first year total row of the student column, insert a formula that sums the numeric values above the first year total. So we'll choose formula. So you're in the layout tab here, go to the data group, formula, sum above, and there we go. Insert the same formula for individual and family. So we'll click in here, go to formula, sum above is what you want, it's defaulted, so just click OK. Same thing here, formula, sum above, OK. Step 15, in the family column, change the price of the refundable investment amount from $125 to $105. Update the formula in the first year total row for the family column to display the correct total. So click on it and then right click and click Update Field. Step 16, at the bottom of page 3, use the Format Painter to copy the formatting from the paragraph beginning Neighborly Corner Grocery and ending All Week Long. Some nice blue italic there. To the last paragraph in the document, so the last 2 paragraphs have the same formatting. So they want you to apply this pretty style to this bland style. So we are going to highlight the sky, and we're going to go up on the Home tab to the Format Painter, click on it, with paintbrush, and then highlight this guy right here. There we go. And you are finished. So don't forget again to change your _1 to _2 when you are submitting to SAM for grading.